2022 Women for OSU Partnering to Impact grant recipients Dr. Nicole Colston and Dr. Cynthia Orona have been busy advancing Native American participation in STEM education. Over the past year, successful workshops, webinars, cultural events, and more have encouraged and prepared Oklahoma mentors, teachers, and Native American students to participate in the National American Indian Science and Engineering Fair. The Oklahoma Water Resources Center partnership with the American Indian Science and Engineering Society and Oklahoma State University College of Engineering, Architecture, and Technology K-12 programs, among many others, brought NAISEF to Stillwater, Oklahoma after an extended break in-person fairs due to COVID-19. The project meets a critical need to raise awareness by Oklahoma teachers about the fair and how to compete. A summer educator workshop held in July 2022 hosted over 40 Oklahoma science teachers on OSU Stillwater campus. The workshop showcased different STEM activities teachers could facilitate with their students to further interests in science, technology, engineering, and math education and career fields. In October 2022, 20 Oklahoma educators were selected as NAISEF STEM coaches. These accepted coaches could earn up to $1,300 by attending NAISEF webinars and the fair itself. These coaches were encouraged to guide students as they created their science fair projects to display at NAISEF, or become educated about the requirements of NAISEF for future participation. OSU students from various student organizations on campus, such as the Center for Sovereign Nations, the Native American Student Organization, the Society for Advancement of Chicanos, Hispanics, and Native Americans in Science, and the American Indian Science and Engineering Society, Oklahoma Louis Stokes Alliance for Minority Participation, and more, volunteered their time to the advancement of the fair. There were a total of 12 students who volunteered. The Oklahoma Water Resources Center held a volunteer mixer for staff, teachers, students, and volunteers on March 9, 2023. Volunteer opportunities were presented to participants who could help with activities during the fair, such as giving tours of campus or judging projects. To prepare attendees for NAISEF, the Oklahoma Water Resources Center, in partnership with ACES, hosted 9 informational webinars in the Journey to NAISEF series. Each webinar featured presentations about how to prepare for the fair, conduct research, and incorporate cultural aspects into your project. Teachers, mentors, and students were able to ask questions about the fair and the process. There was a total of 60 registered participants in this series. Another webinar series was conducted for tribal leaders to learn more about NAISEF and learn how to get involved. There were a total of 20 participants. NAISEF hosts Native American 5th through 12th grade students from across the state of Oklahoma to create and present science fair projects. The fair was hosted by ACES and was held at the Endeavor Lab on the OSU Stillwater campus. The Partnering for Impact Award supported new activities that connect visitors to opportunities on campus and to other Native students at OSU. Tours of facilities on campus were given, allowing participants to explore places like the Mixed Reality Lab, Insect Adventure, the eSports Arena, Learning Greenhouse, Unmanned Systems Research Institute, and Fire Protection and Safety Technology Lab. A social event was held before the fair for students and mentors to network together. Food and activities were hosted with Pistol Pete, as well as a facilitation of Native American basket weaving. Dr. Cynthia Orona devoted her life to furthering Native American education in STEM, inspiring the next generation of students. She assisted Native American students in rural communities, introducing them to technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and 3D printing, as well as creating learning opportunities in college and career readiness. Cynthia is remembered by her family, friends, and peers as a dedicated individual who truly cared for her Native American heritage and minority education. Work will continue in the future as preparations begin for the next NAISEF, and Native American STEM education and college and career readiness are furthered. Thank you to the Women for OSU Partnering to Impact grant for supporting the success of NAISEF and connecting teachers and Native American students to opportunities at Oklahoma State University.